Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can easily download Genshin Impact on PC. So let's start. So in Google you just write Genshin Impact download, and then you're gonna see it here, Genshin Mihoyo. And now you're just gonna wait, and you see it here, it's like loading. Then you just like click on a button here. That's beautiful. This is such a gacha game. So oh, click Windows or iOS, what you got, right? And it's automatically going to download. Now right here, when you feel that you are the one with the whole universe, and now I just click, I open the X, and now I agree to socialize agreement and click on advanced, and then simply change where you want to download, what you want to download, in what folder you want to download it in, and then you just download it. And that's it. Then you just click here, install now, and you just wait until it's going to be installed. This music is wonderful. Oh my god, I'm run now. And now we just wait. And now we see Genshin Impact and Genshin Tech Band. This is where we want to install it and get the game. And right now it's going to download, and it's going to take for a while now. Like I got really fast speed, so I think we are just going to wait together, you know? And just talk about something. Like, we are living in really weird times. And I have a question for you, for everyone who is watching right now. Do you know everyone who got clear mind and he's at peace? Like, yesterday I was with a friend and I was speaking about him like, Dominic, do you know anyone who got peace in his mind, who got clear mind? And we couldn't find anyone. Because we are living in really anxious times. We are always stressful. We always feel that we are not enough. We always compare with each other. We compare on Instagram, on TikTok, Reddit and Facebook. We never listen to ourselves. We always listen to others. And we never behave how we feel that we should behave. And we always behave how society wants us to behave. But now's the question. By standards of society, you should be obese, you should be depressed, you should be on medications, you should have anxiety, and it's not all. You should be addicted to sugar, you should be addicted to social media, and you should be addicted to everyone else. And now's the question, is it the right way? We see year by year that the anxiety and everything is rising. We see that it's not that easy. And we are all alone against this. So what we need to do is to work on ourselves, find ourselves, figure out who we are actually deep inside ourselves. And that's what I recommend to do. So, in what way, and you know it when you're watching this video, in what way you know how to improve your life? Do you know it? What do you need to do? Clean your room, stop using social media, and also, you know, Joseph Campbell wrote a book like 1000 Faces of a Hero, and he wrote beautiful that when the cave that you are afraid to enter holds the treasure you seek. And this is what you need to be. What are you afraid of? What are the challenges that you need to do? Maybe you are afraid to approach the crush or approach a girl. Maybe you are afraid of a dentist. I don't know. The best thing you can do is just challenge that. And there's the glory right after you do it. Because in that way, you are becoming the better version of yourself. You are becoming the best version that you can be. And it's really important to do. I honestly believe in that. And you have it in you. So That's what you need to do. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. Maybe I'll even this way, but it's going to verify it and I'm going to launch the game and I'm going to show you. Maybe you didn't even watch this video. But that's probably it. So challenge the fears that you got. Make from the big fear that you got small dragons. If you're afraid of speaking to people or even approaching girls on street, what you need to do is just simply go and talk with others, talk with strangers. Get the habit rolling right now. That you don't try to approach girls for dating, just try to get to know people. And that's something that you can do, and it's going to work. Trust me in that. And that's how always it works. Man, I love this music. Okay, it's verifying, guys. I'm going to quit the video now. But this is pretty much how you do it, and this is how you can download Genshin Impact. So, thank you, see ya, and goodbye.